We had a thief visiting our pond a few minutes ago. Dang, we pulled the netting off, and he's been flying overhead every day. He noticed that we took the netting off, and he came back. They've wiped us out over 70 huge goldfish. I don't have koi because I'm not going to pay $50 to $100 per fish and have them take it. Besides, I can't afford that much money for a fish. Some people spend thousands of dollars for fish. Koi. Mine are just these 8-inch goldfish. I saw one time a heron was in my pond. He grabbed a fish and he flew over the house with my 8-inch big goldfish. I was so pissed. But the blue heron are an endangered species, so you can't shoot them. I want to wring his neck though. Little pencil neck. I don't know how many. I can't see the other end of the pond, so he may have been having fun down there, eating all my fish. But here he is, right there. Right there, swimming around. You little creep. He saw me come into the kitchen, or just through the front door. Oh, darn, I don't know what to do.